Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through the steps to fix Cinemax Error Code 905. Follow this comprehensive step-by-step guide to troubleshoot and resolve the issue efficiently. Step 1. Restart your device. The first and easiest method to fix Error Code 905 is to restart your device. Whether you are using a smart TV, gaming console, or mobile device, a simple restart can often resolve minor glitches causing the error. Step 2. Check your internet connection. A poor or unstable internet connection can lead to streaming errors. Ensure that your device is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. Consider running a speed test to confirm that your internet is working properly. Step 3. Update the Cinemax app. Outdated versions of the Cinemax app can lead to various errors. Navigate to your device's app store and check for any available updates for the Cinemax app. If an update is available, download and install it. Step 4. Clear app cache. Clearing the app cache can help eliminate stored data that may cause errors. Go to your device settings, find the Cinemax app, and select the option to clear the cache. Restart the app afterward to see if the error persists. Step 5. Reinstall the Cinemax app. If clearing the cache didn't work, try uninstalling and then reinstalling the Cinemax app. This action can resolve any corrupt files that might be contributing to the error code 905. Step 6. Check for device updates. Ensure your device's operating system is up to date. Outdated firmware can create compatibility issues with apps. Go to your device settings and check if there are any pending updates. Step 7. Contact Cinemax support. If you have tried all the above steps and the error still appears, it may be time to seek professional help. Contact Cinemax support for further assistance. They can provide specific troubleshooting steps tailored to your device and account. Remember to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to like the video. Your support helps us create more content like this. Thank you for watching.